The goal for today is to get the Bronco cleaned out. I've got all sorts of treasures in here and lots and lots of gunk. So let's see what we can find. Quite the haul from inside. Not quite sure why the bumper was taken off. Actually doesn't look too bad. Got some good scores. The horn button and that has something to do with the spare tire, which is odd because, oh wait, auger. Huh, it's an ice fishing auger cover. Yeah, okay, don't need that. Some type of junky aftermarket console with all kinds of fun stuff in it. I'll have to read through all of these papers and see what we can find. Hubcaps, trim rings, manual. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's handy. 3 rear view mirrors, and there's one in it. Explain that to me. We also have one more of those, and how much? There's a few odds and ends in the gloves box. I was expecting more. Alright.